Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, now next topic of our chapter, rational numbers, is additive inverse. Please put this heading additive inverse in your notebook. So what is additive inverse? I'll take an example and tell you. Suppose if I say find additive inverse of 3. Its additive inverse will be minus 3. Okay, so in simple terms, we can say additive inverse is negative of a number. Okay, if we take rational number, if I ask you what is additive inverse of 1 upon 3, you will say, you will take this number as it is 1 upon 3 and put a negative sign in front of it. So additive inverse is minus 1 upon 3. If I say what is additive inverse of minus 4 upon 5? Now here the tricky question comes. Here already negative sign is there. So what you will do? You will take this number as it is and put minus sign in front of it. What will it become? Minus minus plus. So additive inverse of minus 4 upon 5 is 4 upon 5. Again, let's take one more example before going for the question of book. What is additive inverse of minus 3 upon 7? Take this number as it is, minus 3 upon 7, and put negative sign in front of it. It will become minus minus plus. So additive inverse of minus 3 upon 7 is 3 upon 7. You're getting me? Now let's move for our question 2 of exercise 1.1. Please pause this video and copy this question, as many of you are not having books. So I hope you have copied it. This is the question of book, and the question says what is additive inverse of the following. We'll use the same trick which I have taught you, and we can solve these easily. Okay, 2 upon 8. Take this number as it is and put a negative sign in front of it. Getting me? So additive inverse of 2 upon 8 is minus 2 upon 8. Next question, minus 5 upon 9. Take this number as it is and put a negative sign in front of it. What will it become? Minus minus plus. 5 upon 9 is the answer. Okay. Let's do this first. 2 upon minus 9. Take this number as it is and put a minus sign in front of it. Again minus minus plus. It will become 2 upon 9. No matter where the negative sign is, okay, numerator or denominator, we can cut it. This simple question let's do. Take this number as it is, 19 upon minus 6. Put a negative sign in front of it for finding its additive inverse. It will cut, so additive inverse will become 19 upon 6. This is a tricky question. You will follow the same trick which I have taught you. Okay. Take this number as it is and put a minus sign in front of it. Okay. Already so many negative signs are given here, but you don't need to get confused. Okay. You will put this number as it is and put a minus sign in front of it. Here 2 minus will cut of numerator and denominator, only 1 will be left, so the answer will be minus 6 upon 5. Right? Additive inverse is very easy and it's a scoring question, you know. Never do it wrong. Let's take one more example of this type which is not given in our book. What is additive inverse of minus 7 upon minus 2? This is another question, practice question. You'll take this number as it is, minus 7 upon minus 2, and put a negative sign in front of it. Okay? Cut this. Only one negative sign will be left. So it will be minus 7 upon 2. Always do this, okay? No matter positive digits are only given. You take this number as it is, then put a negative sign in front of it. By this method, you will never get the question wrong. Okay? If there is one negative sign also, or two negative signs also, or no negative sign at all in question, take this number as it is, then put a negative sign. Take this number as it is, then put a negative sign. Take the number as it is, then put a negative sign. Later you can cut. Two negative signs will be cut. Okay? I have already taught you those basic sign calculations. So it was very easy. This was today's topic, and this is a quote for you for today. It has come in a movie. I don't remember the name of the movie, but I liked it, so I collected that from there. Absence of light is darkness. Absence of God is devil. Okay? There is no devil as such. Absence of God is devil. There is no darkness as such. When there is absence of light, there comes darkness. Also, there is no negativity as such. If you remain positive, there is no negativity. Okay? So remain positive always. That's all for today. Thank you. Keep practicing.